Hey there, technology lovers. Today we are diving into a feature that's been quietly revolutionizing the way we work on Windows. Clipboard History. It's not just a copy paste tool, it's a productive game changer, just like that you can see on my screen. Imagine this, you have been copying snippets of text, images, and links throughout your day. You can see here I am clicking on the text and copying it with Control C, and I will copy some images and videos, and suddenly you need to retrieve the crucial piece of information. Fear not, Windows Clipboard History has your back, and simply press Windows key plus V, and welcome to your personal treasure trove of copied content. Let's take a close look. Every item you have copied, regardless of the application, is neatly organized in a visual, appealing interface. From the last cat meme you shared to that vital paragraph to your report, it's all here. But wait, there is more. Clipboard History allows you to copy multiple items and access them at your convenience. No more back and forth between tabs and applications. It's all in one place. Copying and pasting has never been this powerful. Whether you are a student compiling research, developer juggling lines of code, and just someone who loves efficiency, Clipboard History is here to elevate your workflow. Just imagine the time you will save, the frustration you will avoid, and the seamless experience you will have with Clipboard History. It's not just a feature, it's a time traveling companion for your digital journey. So tech enthusiasts, start exploring the power of Clipboard History today, and press Windows key plus V, and unlock the potential and let your productivity soar. Until next time, happy computing. Thank you very much. Subscribe if you like my video, and we will provide you more content like this. Thank you.